Mobber. John Mahama, before you will come and laugh at NPP, whatever your reason that you have sadly slide in there, no, you still went to IMF and it was not hello hallelujah riding the donkey into pass. No. When you were president, was your daughter twerking? She wasn't. She was a kid. She grew, didn't she? You, the presidential aspirant, you are the one doing propaganda. Ebe John, no. You have to stoop that low. You had time to come with all the passive-aggressive things to say to make John Akufo look worse than he already does. And yet the man is still commissioning things. Few hours before you lost elections, and sana Ikobwe circle. Few hours, Mrs. NPP, omu be ye enyoma na mi fili se ni no omu ye na they will not only break the 8, they will break the 12 too. And I will be happy. Why? I know a couple of motherfuckers in the NDC who are related to me in blood, who have fucked me. So I'm related to them in relationship, and I know the evil they did. Hey! Before you come and point bullshit fingers here, I am not standing for either party. NDC for and son obabo webo who down confirm wahano. One could one confirm Sada project. What you mean the motor nature more to Ukraine? Maponcho mo who ha. Or say that our party was formed on blood. Blood. Imoja. Unkrofumba one papa, unkrofumba one mammy. Well, one. Mopacho NPP for tribalism. Yes, I shall want to tell. Yama, you were Home Minister of Tribalism. In your phenomena, into my mobile. He who has no fault, please fucking cast the stone. Missing then, say NPP for when 2 months in a very little job, believe me, eradicating tribalism should be cocoa for us. Cocoa. Since our current president, the leader of the NPP group, Akufo, since you know and you talk about reparation from Queen na we uno. Salanso na me pede tumusal. Na baba ka tribalism no ho asam. Me ye to ase, when who other tribalism other hopes in an era. Hey. You say you won't listen to advice. Okay. Happy 40th birthday. But your 38th birthday, it was beautiful. That one was happy birthday. Sonya, ye no no sister gifty. Or day your party birthday. Malaminde invite him. Don't worry. You invite him upon coming. Them I can boy some do them about. Njewa, mamba. Name mom happy birthday. Name mom sister gifty. Hey. I wasn't in a delete video no. Sister gifty. Who video na delete no. In the busy bram. Who couldn't you most minya deleted videos? When I was a bram no so were publishers no. And quite honestly catch on from because this okun. Why on from? After all, Minde pain, Minde ni mazo yemo. Ba giftie. Inya azinya no there's about to prove you. Every prove there. Aye na yere na why then. Nche wo dey ke you fie. Nimba kro no video no says mo boa. We are match on baby our website no. Odo minyi no. Papa. Ekwa kokoshe afia wo boy da ma website. anybody I bokwa kwahwe na hwe yi a wo gbe da ma page ansa na abaka kose esam achram osane makam shine na makodo de wo gbe da ma page na marampo mba Facebook ncha wote won wakaka kose esam no wakam buo sam no gifty mutufo amizi samaka wasam na wa mankane ya mijitum da kapa na emumuso penyin otene fie no odua manti wan fa ntetem nje hu de apira akeyi mesenkrofo na wazaze na aton watchu video no nkonko ne bi hye wo video nechi ami mudoyan popo na okata so mudome shrine mudo asasefu amigina do there in fact I was not going to even give a damn to go and look for any deleted video or anything, but this person writes gossips, but obia and nimpano are very blunt so or a bold, but on yeah damn flashy type so obia na dream, but I'm telling you say eko na eko kwhwe nkrofo wo comment how international bodies and urbanizers and do na nche nkrofo ya za wo bodwe ne ho nje we nkora obidi mababa ye no ho video ba sisi amri bisa biom ihe na NDC funa ye tie John Mahama ni speech no we are really going to come and stand here and jump. Hey, what's it there? It's overheating. That my phone is man for my break. We are going to come here and jump. That waka sama or yeah awesome. Can you really boldly do that and show how shallow-minded we all are? Or are you going to get up and say it as it is to him like, damn, John, that was some half familiar, half strange songs you came to sing there. In God, all this hours will be to me, can't I'm sure that Kevin tell you, every job we're knitting. What the time? My wenya mbesi afuso, my waba was the tama baso no foam. Hey! Asama John Mahama beke ya. Omo. Oh, message John Mahama. What is his stand on Galamsey? O Sunday, Moko Edrudi. Mak the baby a menya date bia mako bia mama tanye and then Akufo Addo in the 1 year hey Galamsey for no mami be some question. When people go to the town to get the concessions to do the illegal mining when they only have license for prospecting, do you think they transport laborers from Accra to the villages, or do you think it is the native